Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Bentley Bentayga key battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR 2032 3-volt battery and a small, flat-tip screwdriver or a similar thin prying tool. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as some components are quite small. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button, usually found on the side, and pull out the emergency key. This reveals a small seam or cover. Next, take your flat-tip screwdriver or prying tool and carefully insert it into the designated slot or seam. Gently twist or pry to loosen and remove the small plastic cover, exposing the battery compartment. With the cover removed, you'll see the old CR 2032 battery. Use your prying tool to gently lift it out of its slot. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Press down firmly, but gently to ensure it's securely seated. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the plastic cover and snap it back into place, ensuring all tabs click securely. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Test your key fob to confirm it's working correctly. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle mentioned, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.